A lot of people set up links in the Bubble applications the wrong way. So let me show you the right way. Here I am on No Code Alliance, and if I scroll down to the footer, I have a bunch of links here. Now this is one of the best use cases for links because of how we structure our footers. Now when you click on any one of these, it's going to bring you to that page. But there's two differences that you can see here. So the first one, when I click on it, nothing happens, right? I can't open the link in a new tab or anything like that. The second one, that looks exactly like the first one, has that functionality. I can open this link in a new tab, this new window, etc. And that's because this is using the link element and this is using the text element. Let me show you. So over here in the editor, I have a text element here. And this text element, in order to do anything, it includes a workflow, meaning I need to click on this, and when I click on it, I go to this workflow, and then I can send that additional data, which adds more workflows and a complexity to your app. Compared to actually using the link element, which you can find right over here, this bad boy is loaded with functionality. You can obviously have any kind of display in the front end. It could be going towards an internal or an external page. You can send data to that page. You can easily open it in a new tab, make it not clickable, make it no follow for additional SEO purposes, and add more params with keys and values. This is also recognized better from an SEO Google perspective, these link elements, than the text elements. So for all of those reasons, the link element is superior to use than the text element when setting up a structure like this in your Bubble application. So I hope you learned a ton and will start using the link elements in your apps from now on. And if so, please follow me for more and or subscribe to one of my latest courses, whether it's professional Bubble databases, workflows, or product to upskill your skills even more.